Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to place the elevation views. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you go ahead and make a new sheet. This should be titled A102 Elevations. So just like in your shed project, you're going to go ahead and click and drag on your elevations and drag them into your sheet. So some of yours might not look as clean as this, but it's really easy to edit it. So if you double click on your view and you click on any of these level lines, you can simply drag these to whatever length you want. Same thing with your datums over here. They're all linked and connected by this one point. So once you have everything edited and it's looking good, you might want to consider fixing a big black box that you might have around your view. So if you go over here to your Show Crop Region button, you can click on this black box and you can adjust it to show as much or as little of your home as you'd like. Make sure when you are done with this, you click on Hide Crop Region so that black box moves. Now I'm going to go ahead and adjust this just a bit and make sure that all of these datums are lined up. And notice there's a blue line that pops up that indicates that they have snapped and they're all together. Perfect. So once I'm done with my east view, I can go ahead and place my remaining views. Just like that. So a couple things that you want to keep in mind as you're placing these views is it's really important to try and make a lot of these datums and the annotations as consistent as possible. So I recommend you go into each view, and if you see a stray line that's a little bit longer than the rest of them, take the time and show the attention to detail to make some of those modifications. Additionally, you want to make sure that these different labels are in line with each other. Again, that just helps increase the professionalism and the clarity on the page. But once you are done with that, that is how you make your elevation view.